Welcome back. Let us go through this question first. A jet airplane traveling at the speed of 500 km per hour ejects its product of combustion at the speed of 1500 km per hour relative to the jet plane. What is the speed of the latter with respect to an observer on the ground? So there are two information given. One is the velocity of the airplane, which is 500 km per hour, and the second one is velocity of the combustion product with respect to the airplane, which is signified by V product slash airplane, which is 1500 km per hour. And why is that negative sign? Because we know that the direction of the combustion product is opposite to that of the direction of the airplane. So therefore the negative sign. Now we also know that the formula for the this, which is the velocity of the product with respect to the airplane, is equal to velocity of the product minus velocity of the airplane. So the two information given are velocity of the airplane and velocity of the product with respect to the airplane, and we need to find out the velocity of the product with respect to an observer on the ground, which is signified by V product. So V product would be equal to V product slash airplane plus V airplane, right? So after calculating, we find out that it is minus 1500 plus 500, which is equal to 1000 km per hour. And again, the negative sign signifies that the direction of the combustion product is opposite to the direction of the airplane itself. So that is the answer to this question. Hope it's clear. See you in the next one.